Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ZTE Blade A36 and let me share with you how to activate automatic software updates on this device. So first of all, I'll show you a user-friendly way, and the second one will be more advanced. So firstly, let's open the settings. Here we have to scroll all the way down to find the system and tap on System Update at the top. Now we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. And here we've got three different options which are connected with the automatic update. First of all, we can turn on the auto update, so your device will basically automatically check for the updates when connected to the network. So just tap on the switcher here to activate that. The next option is the auto download. So your device will not only check for the update but also download it, which is a nice option. So I highly recommend tapping on the switcher too. And the third, finally, the last option, the auto install at night, which is, to be honest, the best option, and it kind of gathers together all previous options, because here, thanks to this option, not only your device will check for the update, download it, but also fully install it without you even knowing. You do not have to do anything more. Just wait until it will be 2 and 5 a.m. between 2 and 5 a.m. and then your device will simply apply the download. So I highly recommend simply tapping on this switcher. Another way, which is more advanced, and it is not really that necessary because you've got a really detailed options in the system, is to do it in developer options. So let's start with tapping on About Phone. Here we have to keep tapping on the build number until we will see the information that we are in the developer mode. Now let's go back to the general settings and go to system again and tap on developer options. And here we should have a special option which is called automatic system update, and all you have to do is to simply tap on this switcher. Be aware, because if you wish to make this option work, you need to keep the developer options turned on. So do not use this switcher because your device will automatically turn off the automatic system update. So be aware about that and keep the developer options turned on to apply the updates whenever the device will be restarted. But as I said, the previous option in the update settings, so right here in the system update, are more than enough, and your device will use the automatic software update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.